Once upon a time, there was a young man named John who was struggling to find meaning and purpose in his life. He felt lost and unsure of what to do with his time and talents. One day, he decided to seek the wisdom of a wise old man who lived on the outskirts of town. John asked the wise old man, "How can I find meaning in my life?" The old man replied, "You must make excellence a habit." John was confused. "What do you mean?" he asked. The old man explained that excellence is not a single act or achievement, but a way of living one's life. It's about consistently striving to do one's best in all things, big and small, and not settling for mediocrity. The old man went on to explain that excellence is not just about achieving success, but about the journey itself. When we make excellence a habit, we learn to enjoy the process of improving and growing, rather than just focusing on the end result. John realized that he had been too focused on achieving success and had forgotten to enjoy the journey. He decided to take the old man's advice and make excellence a habit. He started by setting small goals for himself, such as learning a new skill or improving his daily habits. He made a commitment to consistently strive for excellence in all areas of his life and not give up when faced with challenges or setbacks. Over time, John found that making excellence a habit not only helped him achieve his goals, but also brought more joy and fulfillment to his daily life. He realized that excellence was not just a way to achieve success, but a way of living a more meaningful and purposeful life. From that day forward, John made it his mission to live a life of excellence, always striving to do his best and to make a positive impact on the world around him.